I'm just saying, if we find a functional AI core, I'm naming it Barnaby. And Barnaby is gonna do my laundry. He'll have little robot hands for folding socks.
If we find a core, we're selling it for a van that has floorboards. I'm tired of watching the road move under my feet at 60 miles per hour. It's distracting.
Shh, quiet. My resonator's picking up a class 4 pulse. It's inside that turbine. If it's a phase ion core, we're looking at 6 months of rent.
6 months? Do you know how many tacos that is, Thomas? That's a taco-pocalypse. We live like kings. Burrito-shaped kings.
Stay sharp. Sector 7 drones patrol every 15 minutes. We've used 12. Chris, get ready to move that casing. I'm here. There you are. Beautiful.
Got it! It's... oh... it's a...
Oh is a bad word, Thomas. Oh is the sound a wallet makes when it's crying.
The containment field's fractured. The energy bled out 10 years ago. It's a paperweight.
Waste of a good grip.
Pack it up. It's not a total loss. Chris, that engine you were holding is worth some money at the foundry.
Look on the bright side. We can use this to train. I'll get huge like Chris. Hey guys, look at me. I'm Tina. I have muscles and I don't understand how jokes work. I just like heavy things and protein shakes.
I like protein shakes. That's a terrible impression.
We move fast. We stay quiet. Let's get back to the apartment before... Sit down. Drone. Chris, grab the scrap. Go, go, go.
Moving.
Let's go.
Good afternoon, distinguished executives, tech gurus, and potential future shareholders of yours truly's dreams. I give you prototype B-17. Think of it as a courier, a companion, and if the patent goes through, a life coach with Wi-Fi.
You have 2 minutes.
Plenty.
And that's the beauty of it, Ms. Vanderbilt. It's not just a cockroach hunter, it's a decentralized swarm. One of my robots finds a problem and snap, it alerts the hive. No more cockroaches in your warehouses, no more intruders in your vaults.
Mr. Irk, it has a giant serrated metal jaw, and it appears to be twitching.
Just the eagerness.
Sub routine watch. Whoa ho.
See? Eager. Maybe a little too eager.
Easy, champ. That's a company pen. See? It's identified the target. That is a 100% neon bright algorithmic yes right there. 98.7% match, complete with crumb evidence. That's more certain than my ATM pin. Case closed.
That is my fountain pen, Mr. Irk. It's a family heirloom.
Override. Stand down, little buddy.
Sweet mercy, that's a $20,000 corner.
Do you know how many bake sales it take to replace that? Okay, override part 2 maybe?
Enough. This isn't genius, Mr. Irk. It's a lawsuit on legs. Your designs are erratic, your swarm intelligence is borderline psychotic, and frankly, you smell like scorched ozone and cheap canned tuna.
The potential. If I just had the funding for the master control,
This little remote is ready.
it can talk to every dispenser, drone, and fridge within 5 miles, politely too. One press, and the snacks line up like parade floats. Instead, I'm here guarding it from accountants like it's...
The security will see you out. And please, take that snapping toaster with you.
She just didn't see it, did she? She didn't see the vision.
I saw it.
Whoa! Voice from the ether, never a good sign. Who's there?
A bit unrefined, a bit hungry, but the logic is
Yeah,
sound.
well, logic didn't just give me a heart attack. You mind stepping in?
Hey, who are you? Are you with the health department?
I am the man who is going to give you a laboratory and a purpose.
He just ate a soda can like it was a corn chip. Do you know how many lab coats I'm gonna need for that? Oh, buddy, you and I are gonna be unstoppable.
The city called you a madman, Steve. I'm here to make sure they were right.
I'm telling you, if we don't find a score soon, I'm gonna start charging Thomas.
Grant,
for every time he uses the microwave for a non-food experiment.
Yeah. One time, and I needed to see if the shielding would hold against a localized EMP. Still ticking, no hiccup. Worth it.
Focus, guys. We'll bounce back. We always do.
Everyone quiet. Do you hear that? What was that?
Maybe it's the tacos coming back for revenge. Oh no! There are more of them!
Defend the perimeter!
I'm trying to jam their frequency, but it's encrypted with... Is that a blue bow tie cincher?
Come on! Back to the hallway! Move! Stay down! Not in my apartment.
You picked the wrong apartment. Stay on the wall, Tin Man. Reloading! Don't keep me waiting! One last tack for the road! I hope you guys aren't looking for a security deposit refund, because this place is officially trashed!
They're taking it apart.
Stay low. Move on my mark.
They aren't trying to kill us. They're trying to bring the whole floor down.
I'll draw them off. They're tracking the highest bio sign. That's me.
No! It's a suicide run!
It's just a cardio workout with teeth.
To the roof! I'll meet you at the alley!
Come on then.
Not tonight, Tin Teeth.
98, 99, 100.
That's the warm-up over. Time to move. Oh, hey, watch it. Oh my God. What the? Move, man. They're everywhere. Seeing this? Where are they coming from? No idea. But they're not stopping. Watch the paint job!
Stay in there, tin cans. That should hold.
That is definitely more than 5 sets of reps.
If he gets a scratch on his face, I am going to dismantle every one of those toasters with my bare teeth.
Stay low. He knows where he's leading them. Trust him.
Just keep watching. We'll move when the tail clears.
Buying us time. Thomas, tell me you've got something. I tracked the signal burst from when they breached the wall. It's not a corporate frequency. It's amateur. High gain, low shielding. It's coming from the North Hill.
The Mansion District? Why would a madman live with the billionaires?
Because that's where Vane hides. Tina, get the boards. We're gonna find my dad, and then we're gonna find whoever sent these things.
That's why you never use a standard 128-bit encryption for your home toaster chat. It's a literal open door. Anyway, gotta go. My favorite disasters just arrived.
Dios mío! You guys look like you crawled out of a garbage disposal? What happened?
Malachor Vane found us. His robots remodeled the kitchen. Check the source code.
This is messy. This isn't Vane's work. Vane is surgical, cold, efficient, boring. This is passionate. It's got Steve Irk written all over it.
Who the heck is Steve Irk? I don't know, but in my head he's a guy who collects stamps like they're rare jewels and then goes home to apologize to his houseplants for not watering them on time.
He was a lead engineer at Gigadyne. Got fired last month for, quote, excessive robot and corporate speak for building things that bite the board of directors. He's brilliant, but he carries a chip the size of a server farm on his shoulder.
Excessive? They have...
Great. Another scientist with a grudge. Why can't we ever fight a pastry chef?
I could go for a villain who throws exploding eclairs.
Where's he, Amira?
Vane bought him. He's holed up in the Blackwood mansion. It's got a private server tower and enough power draw to light up a small country. That's your master control.
Take out the master control, the whole swarm loses its hive mind. They'll just be expensive paperweights.
My dad, we hit the mansion, we shut down the signal.
And then we find out if Steve Irk's insurance covers extreme scavenger retribution.
Everyone.
Gothic mansion with laser fences? Vane is really leaning into the over-the-top villain aesthetic. I bet he has an organ in there that plays itself.
I don't care if he has a choir. I just want to hit something that doesn't have a motherboard.
Focus. Thomas, the grid?
Working on it.
Defense is on a frequency loop. Every 60 seconds, there's a 3-second handshake gap when the patrol drones sync with the main hub. That's our window.
3 seconds to clear a 12-foot wall? That's not a window, that's a mail slot.
Then we use the boards. Chris, you're the launch. Flight in 10.
Timing it. 3, 2.
Steps still ready? Go when you're set.
Engines primed.
Boards fueled and steady. As soon as that sweeps past, we roll.
Light's coming back.
Hold tight.
Up you go. Your turn. Hook, we're up.
The Home Office models. Those look like they were built for war.
The master control tower is on the west wing. If we can get inside the ventilation shafts, we can bypass the guard droids.
On our way in.
Why is it always a vent? Just once, I'd like to use a front door like a civilized person.
Civilized people don't have a taco-apocalypse budget, Thomas. Get in the hole.
Yes, go, my little mechanical darlings. Cleanse the city of their sneering judgments.
Looks like we found the guy who collects stamps and apologizes to his plants right before he destroys a city.
Come on, route the override. Just give me a window. It's
over. Shut them down.
Oh, my fan club, you made it. Just in time to witness the dawn of a new era. The Earthbots will reclaim my genius.
Get them, my beauties. Make them understand.
Dragged me into a high-tech mansion, and now it's raining metal maniacs. Do you have any idea how stressful that is?
Keep talking if you want, but I need this mainframe unlocked. Give me a minute.
A minute? That's a lifetime in robot years.
Move! Stay behind me!
Gladly.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Who's next?
Come on. Closing in from both sides. Stay behind me.
Brandon, left
I see it. Hit the joint shoulders first. There. Sparks everywhere. Elbows out. Going for the knee. Stand clear. Finish it. Surgical. And loud. Let's move.
Come on.
What the?
Intruder detected.
Not today. Stay down. Back to work.
He's got a firewall. It's like trying to hack a pile of angry springs. You can't stop me. My programming is exquisite. A symphony of destruction.
We'll see how long that symphony lasts once I rewrite the finale. Less talking, more hacking. Got it. Core programming loop. It's a fractal signature. I need to reverse the phase matrix. They're not going to stop coming. Almost.
Away from that! You're getting your grimy scavenger fingerprints on my masterpiece. It's a closed-loop system. You'll break the logic flow.
Your logic flow is a mess, Steve. You've got a feedback loop in the subprocessor that's literally...
They're starting to double team us! I'm doing the thing! I'm reversing the polarity of the master signal! On 3! 1, 2, 3!
Oh, man. You guys, want mustard with that?
Tense.
Yeah, I didn't...
My babies. My beautiful snapping babies. They're pouting. They've gone into a permanent pout. It's called a factory.
A factory reset, Steve. I sent them a command to return to manufacture. Since you don't have a factory anymore, they just gave up.
That is the coldest tech support I've ever seen.
Check the map. All signals are dark. We did it.
Great. Now can we go home? I'm pretty sure our apartment's about 40% drywall dust and 60% robot teeth right now.
Actually, I think I left the stove on.
Maybe that was just the wall exploding.
Oh, gentlemen and gentlewomen, those are imported tiles. Can we maybe slide instead of drag?
Sir, you're under arrest for multiple counts of snack theft. Let's move.
Snack theft? I call it culinary curiosity. Those pretzels were in a study phase.
Watch your step.
Step up.
You know, the open concept floor plan really lets the breeze in.
Betsy needs to salvage some of the Tobot's processors. If I can reprogram them, we might be able to build a robot that actually fixes the walls instead of destroying them.
Just don't name it Barnaby. I'm over the name Barnaby.
Duly noted.
Still broke, we're homeless, and we got the most dangerous man in the city hunting us.
Yeah, but we've got tacos. And honestly, I think we're just getting started.